Hi, this is P R Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead for second week of May. Last week, I did mention that Nifty is likely to trade between 9,000 to 9,500. And in fact, Nifty exactly traded in the same range. In the previous 2 weeks, that is the last 2 weeks of April, and Nifty took support at 8,800. So I also felt for the monthly, the range may be 8,800 to 10,000. For weekly, I thought it was 9,000 to 9,500. So it has traded in the same range. Though there was huge selling along the way, continuous good news for Reliance Industries and Reliance out helped Nifty from collapsing. But the banking stocks were the real draggers. Ever since the news broke out that the banks are seeking 3 more months of loan moratorium and the banking stocks have been under severe pressure. HDFC Bank came with a decent set of results, but still there was nothing big move in that stock. We closed somewhere around 9,200. But on Friday night, US markets went up and now the SGX Nifty is trading around 9,320. So which means that on Monday morning, we will be opening with a positive note. So whether the positive momentum will continue or not, we have to see. But looking at the open interest, once again, it looks like Nifty will be trading between 9,000 and 9,500. In weekly options, 9,000 put option has the highest open interest and 9,500 call option has the highest open interest. But in monthly, 10,000 call option has the highest open interest. But remember, we have been consolidating for the last 3 weeks. And this consolidation cannot go on for a very long time. Sooner or later, the markets will either break out or break down. In fact, on Friday, the Nasdaq has turned positive for the year. So the global cues are really good and the coronavirus lockdown may be lifted in another 1 or 2 weeks. So I am expecting actually a breakout, not the breakdown. But whether that will come in this week itself, that is $1 million question. FIIs have been selling, but except last Friday, where they have bought for more than 1,000 crore, and FIIs in F&O also not having a bullish bet. And next week, Kotak Bank and Maruti will be declaring the results. On Saturday, ICICI Bank declared the result, that is yesterday, and the results were not really very good. Most of the analysts expected 3,500 crore as the profit figure, but the profit figure came below 2,000 crore only. So ICICI Bank results were below the expectation. So we need to see how the ICICI Bank will react on Monday morning for its results. Next week, Tuesday, consumer price inflation data will be declared. And also index of industrial production data will also be declared. On Thursday, wholesale price inflation data will also be declared. But I am not expecting anything big in this data because for the entire month, we have been locked down. So therefore, this data will be of no use. So in total, we are going to open around 9,300. And then whether the market will continue to move higher or not, we have to see. But in the last 1 week, whenever Nifty crossed 9,400, the heavy selling came and dragged the Nifty towards 9,200. So therefore, my observation is that if 9,420 is crossed, and then there will be a further short covering and markets will continue to move higher towards 10,000. So what I've been doing the last 1 week, whenever the markets are falling intraday, I'm selling put options. Even for this weekly also, I sold 9,000, 8,800 and 8,700 put options, but I did not sell any call options. So thank you for watching Dalal Street Week Ahead.